Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. There we have the G-on dash cam 2-channel installed on a Volkswagen Atlas 2020. So first we're showing you here the rear camera. The camera is going through the vehicle boot harness, so everything goes through here. So you don't see any wires, everything nice and clean. Now we're going to show you the front camera. So the front camera is actually installed. As you can see, the driver, you can barely see it because it's behind the rearview mirror. But we have it here, behind the rearview mirror. Now the camera has a USB dongle for your Wi-Fi, has a GPS antenna. You can watch it all on your phone. The power connections in this vehicle are actually done on the bottom in here, under. We have here the vehicle computer, and it's the vehicle VSMC, and we have connected there with the ignition sense that we have. We've used a relay to allow us to have a proper power, so we don't actually have connection directly to the ignition sense, so you don't have any feedback on the vehicle. And the main harness power there for the fuse, so for the fuse box. So again, no fuse taps, everything is done soldering properly with a relay system connected to top there. It's a little bit, you can see it right now, it's all closed and it's done properly. For dashcam installation, you can always find us at Car System Installation. Subscribe to our channel and we'll see you next time. Have a good day.